Welcome to Copilot 365 Workflows, Lesson 5. Today, we're tackling the chaos of project kickoffs and turning messy inputs into a clean, actionable project brief. If you've ever started a project with a massive email thread, a few scattered documents, or a long meeting transcript, you know how hard it is to get everyone on the same page. We're going to fix that. Our goal for Lesson 5 is simple. When a new project kicks off, Copilot automatically builds a structured, shareable brief for your entire team. First, let's look at the different ways this automated workflow can be triggered. The workflow can be triggered by a new email thread containing specific keywords like, quote, project kickoff, RFP, or proposal in the subject line. Alternatively, simply adding a new document to a designated, quote, projects, SharePoint, or OneDrive folder can initiate the brief generation. You can also trigger this by tagging a Teams meeting, for example, using the category Project Kickoff on the meeting invite. Now that we know the triggers, let's see where Copilot pulls its information from and what the final output looks like. Copilot analyzes all relevant sources, including the email thread content, any attached documents, and the transcript from related Teams meetings. The final output is a clean, structured document, which can be generated either as a Word document or a loop page, ready for immediate team share. This is how Copilot structures your information for maximum clarity. The brief starts with the foundational elements, the background and context, the goals and success metrics, and a clearly defined scope, outlining what is in and out of scope. Next, it covers the execution details, identifying all stakeholders and their roles, and a timeline complete with key milestones. Now let's conceptually walk through how you would build this workflow. You start in Copilot by navigating to Agents or Workflows and selecting New Workflow. A strong prompt is key. Tell Copilot to trigger on specific email keywords or new documents, analyze all sources, create the structured brief, save it to a specific folder, and email you the link. After Copilot generates the workflow based on your prompt, confirm that the steps are correct. Ensure the flow is trigger happens. Copilot gathers sources, summarizes into sections, creates and saves the document, and finally sends the link. With Copilot, you transform messy project inputs into a perfectly clean, structured brief. Join us next for Lesson 6, where we'll cover creating a daily dashboard from Excel, Planner, and emails.